Oh my gosh, I'm excited to visit more.
Right, Tania. And I think we should visit all the places in the park. Oh, like what? I know. We should just think of something. Yeah. What do you think, Tania?
Well, I'm thinking about, achoo!
Gosh, are you alright, Tania?
Yes, Quickie, I'm okay. Achoo! Oh my gosh, I don't feel so good, guys.
Okay, maybe we should go tell the others. I think we need some help.
I love having fun at ChuckyCon.
That could be the worst life Dash ever got. Hey guys, we got a problem. What is it? It's Tania. She's sneezing. Oh, crud.
Hi, Tania. What's wrong?
I don't feel so good, guys.
Tell us, Dr. Mario. Is he gonna be okay? I believe so. But I think Tania Soria has a case of the sniffles. The sniffles? Did you say the sniffles? Yes, the sniffles.
The
sniffles?
The sniffles?
Sniffles?
The sniffles?
The sniffles?
The sniffles?
The sniffles, huh?
The sniffles?
Yep, you heard me. The sniffles.
Why did I get the sniffles?
Because all the grass, trees, and the leaves and the air give some people the sniffles. They're called allergies. Wow, I never thought of that one before. Well, that too, Top Cat. But here's the tissue for the nose that you can blow on it, and you better find a way to make you feel better. So I'll see you later, okay?
I don't get it. I never getting the sniffles, achoo! Before?
Well, Tania, I guess you gotta get some sleep.
Alright, I'll get some sleep. Achoo!
Bless you. Okay, I think we need an emergency meeting right now. I'll get her blanket, and I'll get the pillows.
Guys, we've got a problem with Tiana.
We know, Emily. We gotta find a way to make her feel better.
Guys, how are we gonna cure Tania's sniffles? To make her feel better is to make chicken soup.
Good idea, Veronica.
Yep, I didn't know she was a common genius.
Well, there's some at the store.
Right.
Okay, guys. Now here's what we're gonna do. Since Tania's feeling under the weather right now due to her sniffles, we're gonna make her some chicken soup. I deeply apologize if it's starting to offend Helen Henny in the process, but that will for sure make Tania feel better.
Now, this will be a better cure for this one.
That's not good.
Not awkward enough. Alright, I got a perfect way to cure Tania's sneezing problem. Is to make some music. Okay? And I got the radio right here, and I'm gonna sing it to her. Hey Tania, you know how I do when you're sick? I play a song for you. Tania, you're not feeling good, and I feel like a good friend should. And if you want to get better fast, check out my cool little birdie dance. Wow, bless you. Jeez, those sneezes is getting off limits.
Oh my gosh, we don't want to get sick.
I know, Veronica, we're not gonna get sick, but there's some chicken soup. Oh boy, I think Tania's gonna love it. Yep, I am so darn wrong about that tissue. You know what else that makes them sneeze? It's the pepper. It makes them sneeze. I hope Dana would smell this pepper.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Achoo! Excuse me.
Yep, pepper does make them sneeze. I hope. Okay guys, we're back.
Hey guys, you're back.
You got the cans of chicken soup?
Yes, and we set it under the table.
Well, we've got all these cans of chicken soup.
Yeah, I bet Tania will love it. Yup, I doubt it.
Hey guys! Wow, that's a lot of chicken soup, huh?
Yup, and we're gonna cure Tania's sniffles.
The sniffles? Ay caramba!
Yeah, and we better make it and fast.
That smells delicious.
Yeah, we better wake Tania up. I hope she'll like chicken soup.
Tania, wake up. We've got something for you.
Huh? What is it?
We've just made some chicken soup.
Chicken soup?
Yes, and we've made some for you.
Well, guys. Oh no.
What?
I gotta sneeze again. Achoo!
Bless you, Tania.
Thanks, Taeyeon.
Well, Tania, I hope you like some chicken soup, so here you go.
Okay, I'll try some.
I bet this will work.
I hope Tania should try some chicken soup. If not, well then, doggone it.
That's delicious. Hey, I'm feeling better.
Yes! She's feeling better, you guys!
Well, that's amazing.
Thanks, guys, for making me feel better.
You're welcome, Tania. It's a good way to cure the sniffles.
Now I'll never be having the sniffles again.
Well, we're glad to hear it.
Well, I better go now. Thanks for everything.
You are very welcome.
It was our pleasure.
Well, we'll see you around.
Bye. See you guys later.
See you around, Tania.
What a day. I bet her sniffles is cured, don't you think?
Okay, that's gonna be harsh for us.
I knew it worked perfectly.
Well, that is the simple way to have the best medicine.
Boy, it sure feels good to make our friends feel better. Right, C-Bloss?
C-Bloss, agree with treatment.
Awesome sauce!
Excellent.
Guys, you gotta help me.
Hey, what's up?
What happened to you?
I think I sneezed confetti.
Well, I don't get it.
Achoo! See?
Well, I guess I'll make her some chicken soup.
Well, here we go again.